Hello guys, welcome. In today's video we are going to create an example program. So in this program we are going to extract common elements in two lists. So for this we have to create two lists. So list 1 is our first list which contain 4 elements, 5, and we have list 2 8. So you can see here we are going to find out the common elements in both lists. So I am going to create a function and name of the function is common here. So this function takes 2 arguments. So suppose a and b are the 2 arguments of the function, and to generate the common elements in output we have to create an output empty list in which we will going to append the common elements. Alright, now I am going to create a for loop. So I can take any, suppose I am going to apply for loop in first argument and I am going to use if condition in the second argument b. You can change it, if you can change the position of a and b. Suppose if you want to write instead of a, if you want to write b here, it is up to you. The program will work exactly the same. Alright, now first we are applying the for loop here in list 1. So if a is the argument of list 1 and b is our list 2. So first for loop will check each element in list 1 and compare, if condition will compare with list 2, and then if any element is common in these two lists, so we can directly append in output. Alright, now we can just have to just return output, and then we can call our function. So I am using string formatting here to call my function. I can write here the common elements are. Alright, these string formatting we have also discussed in previous videos. So I can call my function like common list 1 comma list 2. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see here the common elements are 1 and 2. You can see here 1 and 2 are the common elements in list 1 and list 2. Suppose if instead of 7, if I remove it and write here 4, you can see now these 3 elements are common, 1, 2 and 4. So if I again run this program, you can see here 1, 2 and 4 are common in these two lists. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.